Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Elias Venegas and today I'm going to work in my RV travel trailer, which is an Explorer by Riverside. This model is 3 years old and since then I haven't changed the insert trim. This rubber insert that you see here is really in a bad shape. It has been deteriorated during the time being exposed to the weather of Florida. Heat, rain, really high temperatures that we face here in Florida State is amazing. So you can see how the trim is falling apart basically and it's not doing its job anymore. This vinyl insert trim, it has different names. You can look for them at any stores, any RV sites. If you want to have a better price, something that you can select. There is a huge variety, different brands, different prices. Amazon has them. And this one that I have here is a pack. I actually ordered 3 packages and I selected this one because I looked the quality and the other 2 packs weren't that great, so I kept this one, which cost me about 16 bucks. I believe I paid $15.98 plus taxes, and it comes with 100 foot long. I think it's enough for me to do part of the job. If I need more, I'm gonna order another of these rolls. In the meantime, I'm gonna see how good it works. You can buy this vinyl insert trim in different stores. You can buy it online in places like Amazon, or you can go personally to Camping World, E-Trailer, Rec Pro, and some other providers. Any dealership can have these parts as part of their inventory. If they don't have it, you can find out where to buy it for your convenience. This particular part is 1 inch wide, but most of the RV makers, they put this vinyl inserts in 3/4 of an inch wide or 1 inch wide. Mine is 1 inch width. They are known with different names. They call it RV vinyl insert trim, RV screw cover trim, RV trim insert molding, and RV vinyl trim insert. What is the work that it does? Basically, they cover the screws in the trim trail, helps to keep the water out, and improves the look of the sim. So you can see how bad this is going. It's falling apart, so it's time to change it. This particular one has 1 screw inserted in the vinyl trim, and it goes all the way in without any more screws to hold the rubber trim. And I'm going up to see how it's at the end. This section right here starts with a screw holding the vinyl trim all the way, and just 1 screw actually at the bottom, and then just insert it. You can see that has been pushed in. I'm going to see how it's on the top, and well, it seems that it goes all the way, so I gotta take a better look. So it comes all the way up here and on this section right here, which is covered with that ceiling on the roof. So I'm gonna take it apart and pull the whole thing right there. All right, so I can see a screw here. So what I'm gonna do is just like the original one, I'm gonna make a hole. I'm gonna drill a hole on the rubber vinyl trim to insert it with that screw, and that will be the beginning. And then I'm going all the way down, insert it, and at the end is gonna be another screw holding the whole rubber, the vinyl trim. So I'm gonna pull the rest of this vinyl trim all the way down, the whole part, and that screw I have to undo it to make sure that I have the other with a hole to hold it. All right, so I'm gonna unscrew this. It's gonna be the beginning of the vinyl trim. I already make a pilot hole to make sure that the screw goes in through the vinyl. That will be the beginning of this section. So let's see. It's really easy to put the vinyl trim inside of the rail. So with this screw, I'm securing the vinyl, so it's inserted. And now I'm going to cover it with the sealant. Later on, I'm gonna apply a little bit of caulking silicone to make sure that there's no water going in part of the roof. You just need to squeeze 2 sides, 2 edges of the trim and insert it. It has that flat side, and the curve is gonna do the job to cover all the trail or the vinyl insert. Just make sure that you secure it really well, and just make sure that this curve stay aligned And the two sides, you can see these flat edges, the flat sides are the ones that are going to be inserted. So you just squeeze vinyl trim to the half and then push in. It's that simple. You have a better angle here to see how it works. Squeeze and insert the two edges. That simple. Bad thing about this one is that the sun is killing me right here. It's getting really hot. Other than that, and these bugs flying around me, other than that, I'm fine. It looks really well lined. It looks really good. On this very last part, you can see there is a bolt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a mark with this drill bit right in the center. So right here, I'm gonna make a hole with this drill bit manually. The hole is right there. And I take this screw out. You can see we have an invasion of these lot bugs. They call them 1,000 of them in Florida this time in springtime. It's crazy. So I have the screw in the pilot hole right there, and I just need to put this back where it belongs. So the screw is already in place, it's tight, and now this excess of vinyl trim, I need to cut it. I got this scissor, and I just go to the very end, see where the trail ends. So I'm gonna cut right there. It's flush now to the very end of the vinyl trim trail, and it's done, properly set up. It looks really good. See how many years it can last. I'm trusting this brand. It's time to get rid of this one, and I wanna undo this screw. It is a sprinkling, but I can't stop. I had to finish with this job. So I was telling you that I'm gonna do the same thing I did at the other side. I fold it. Once it's inserted, I push up until I hit the screw enough to give me enough support for the vinyl trim to stay in place and doesn't come out. So I'm folding it, and I keep going all the way down at the end of the vinyl trim trail. The rain comes and goes here in Florida. We have a cloud over our heads, and it's discharging a little bit of rain, but not enough to make me stop. So I'm gonna continue with this. It's kind of hard because the awning is right here, right next to me, so doesn't allow me to have enough room to do this. I'm trying. Just going back to make sure that all the vinyl is inserted properly. And you will see a little bit of bumps, but those are the screws that are under. We have many screws all the way from the bottom to the top to bottom. So that's why we see that kind of bumpy area. So when I was doing that job at the other side, I lost audio. And I'm gonna use this section here to describe what I am exactly doing, so you can have a better picture. So making sure that it's inserted, aligned properly all the way down. And now you see that bolt right there. That's gonna be my guide to make a hole. So I'm gonna do the hole with this drill bit. I just need this drill bit to make a hole, pilot hole. Now it's done. I can take this screw and I'll take it out. And I'm gonna finish with the vinyl trim all the way down. Okay, so making sure that you go back and check everything out, making sure that everything in place, the trim is inserted completely. Now I can put this screw back in the hole. And now I'm sure that it is completely done, properly inserted. Then use your pair of scissors and cut the vinyl trim. And that's it. So the door frame is already covered with the vinyl trim, so ready to go. Thank you guys for staying with me at the end of this video. I appreciate the time that you took to watch the whole thing, and I hope that all the information that I provided step by step might help you to do the job yourself. Thank you. God bless you all. Have a good day.